you can deploy that. It's there is no license specific for workspace. That's not workplace. Workplace is soft phone.
Oh, the subscription.
Yeah, see in ACCS in this slide, yes, there is no license for workspace here.
Okay.
He means that means it's come include workspace means the agent, the web interface for the agent.
But in ACCS without subscription, it's with
license. Yes, that's workspace with ACCS without subscription. It's required additional license. Okay, are you going to send us this presentation? Check.
Guys,
at the beginning,
this form I send you. Please, everyone. I just send now again. Everyone, add your information to this link, so you will receive all the data, the recording file, the presentation, the way how to do the exam, everything you receive. You should go inside and fill your information. Okay? So let's. We will give like 2 to 3 minutes now, just for everyone to go inside this and fill your information, please. Okay? And if anyone has a question, Hamza, please ask.
Open your microphone if you would like to ask.
Hamza, please, we need to confirm for the point that in background for agent, he should log in with disk phone or soft phone.
See, for ACCS,
yeah,
mandatory. We cannot avoid this step. The agent should log in to the workspace, the web client, or log into desktop client. It will not work if he's just using the IX workplace, the soft phone, to handle the ACCS agent. No, the ACCS agent, the call will come from the IP office to ACCS. It will trigger if the agent not log in to workspace or desktop client, the call will not reach to that user. Even if he is using IX workplace, he should log in, so he can after that handle the calls from IX workplace, but he should log into workspace, that's the web client, or desktop client.
Yes, I understand this point. No, I talk about the disk phone and the soft phone. Can he log in with both or one of them? Because as I received from Avaya support knows, there is a limitation. If you created extension for this agent in the IB office, it will not work with the soft phone. You should, if you create extension, he should log in with disk phone only. But if you configure profile for extension, he cannot use Avaya Communicator as a soft phone. So you should delete the extension profile for this agent so he can log in with the system.
No. Agent can use hard phone or soft phone, okay. But without login to the workspace,
no, he logged in. He's logging in with workspace, but he cannot log in. When he tried to log in with workspace, he getting error. Avaya support, they said there is a limitation in ACCS. You should configure this agent for disk phone only or for soft phone only. He cannot has the option to use one of them. For example, if the agent today is at company, he's using his disk phone. Tomorrow he will use remotely from his home. He cannot do that. We should remove the agent.
No, he can. Just drop me email. I will confirm that with team. Today, once you log in, there is a way to configure both hard phone or soft phone.
Okay.
If you are logged into the
discussion with the support team.
Okay, we have Sana question. We have 2 packages only in subscription, basic and advanced.
For ACCS, for contact center, the name of basic means ACR. We are selling ACR. The name of advanced, that means we are selling the ACCS. That's kind of names only. For IP office, normal IP office, we have a 3 license. Basic, which will only enable phone, hard phone, no soft phone. Essential, you can log into your extension from hard phone and soft phone for PC. Power user, you can log into your extension from hard phone and soft phone on PC, on soft phone on mobile, and as well as make integration and plug in with third-party desktop application.
Okay. Hope everyone already registered his name in this link. So Hamza, go ahead. Let's finish this.
Okay, let me share the presentation and continue. Only two subjects, and they are very small. The Centrum application, I will not go through all the Centrum application because that's required at least 1 hour of training. I will give you an idea, and Avaya endpoints. Okay, for today, after we sell the iOffice as a telephony system, as a mobility system, as a unified communication solution, as a call record solution, and after we integrate that iOffice with third-party desktop application like Skype for Business, like Outlook, like Salesforce, like Google Chrome, after we sell the customer contact center like CCaaS or ACR to enable the call reporting, to enable the real-time, the historical reporting, the dashboard, the voice agent, the multimedia agent to receive email, chat, SMS, fax. So on top of that, there is solutions still required in the market. There is applications still required in the market, okay, which required a quotation, a license to call. I will go through all of them quickly. The first application is the call billing. Today, some of the customer ask, do you have a call billing with iOffice? Yes, that's we can sell with iOffice. Call budgeting, applications which will control the budget. That means you will control with a specific extension to have external calls to mobile with 100 Riyal Saudi. Once that extensions reach the budget, he cannot do more calls. Or you can control the budget of whole company to control the budget. Another application related to the callback manager. This application, you can buy it to recall all the missed calls or all the calls coming after the working hours. Automatically, this application will call this customer and bring them back to the agent. Or we can enable this interface to the agent. He can call back them manually, if not automatically. Another connector or application, it is the SMS application, where you can use this application to integrate with customer database, with collection with BIMing. So this application can send reminder to the customers to remind them for BIMing. You can use this application for announcement, for marketing, for reminder, for appointment, or for send survey. It's personal. You can personalize the SMS connector to use it. Another application related to the feedback, customer survey. So this customer survey comes with two packages. Package number one, to have a feedback survey after finish the call only. That's feedback after the call with full reporting. The second module, the second package of the customer survey, to have full flag of customer survey, to have a feedback after call, to have a feedback sent to the customer by SMS, to have a feedback sent to the customer sent by email, or to have a feedback after every chat. If the customer chatting with you through the web chat, or through the social media platform, or through the WhatsApp, after that customer finish the chatting with you, he will receive a link to conduct a survey. Okay? Other application related to the chatbot, where we can enable the chatbot engine on website, or on Facebook, or on Twitter, or on WhatsApp, these 4 channels, or on mobile application, customer mobile application. So the chatbot will be enabled to reply to most questions, which is repeatedly always. When you go to a website, hi, assalamu alaikum, they will reply, wa alaikum assalam. I need to know the address, he will give you the addresses. It's like FAQ-based chatbot. Not only that, we can enable the chatbot to do some transactions. We can enable the chatbot to book you appointment without talking to the agent, without chatting to the agent, to give you a balance, to give you a results of something, to give you information from the database. That's the chatbot, other purpose for the chatbot. And if the chatbot cannot serve you, he will take you to the live agent. He will escalate that chat to the live agent, so the live agent, who is ACCS, will start chatting with you. Another application is the outbound dialer, the automatic outbound dialer without agent. That application will be integrated with your database to call list of customers without agent touch, without agent request agent automatically. Once that customer answers the call, we can give them a message or announcement or payment collection or reminder for appointment or conduct survey. That's the outbound dialer to use it. Another application related to the WhatsApp connector, so we can allow customers to chat with ACCS agent through WhatsApp. So they can connect the WhatsApp and start chatting with agent. Click to call. That click to call is a button on website, customer website. Allow the customer to click on that button and make a voice call between you as a customer and ACCS agent. And the agent can reply from normal hard phone or from desktop. And that will allow a new voice channel to make a new calls without calling the landline number. Click to call from web. Social media connector, that connector will be used to connect between the ACCS agent, the enterprise agent, with any customer on the social media. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anyone came to this social media platform, start chatting or add comments or feed, these comments and chat will come to the agent interface and he will reply from the Avaya interface. No need for the Avaya agent to open these interfaces to reply to the customer. Another application related to the CRM connector, where the customer today has CRM, Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, in-house CRM. He has a database, and when the call comes, our CRM connector will bring all the customer who is calling now, all his data, history of calls, history of tickets, location, any customer profile with pop-up screen automatically to be in front of the agent, so the agent will answer someone who knows who's that. If the customer asking for a new and fresh ticketing system with mini CRM, we have the case management, full-fledged of ticketing system. And these applications, today you can sell them with iGoFace or with Aura or with ACCS, and this table will help you to identify the compatibility and which application can work with which Avaya core. For example, call billing cannot work standalone, only with iGoFace, cannot work with ACR, but with iGoFace only, not with ACCS, because, for example, like that, communication manager, elite, ACC, the Aura. This table will help you to identify every application compatible with which Avaya platform. The last topic, finally, regarding the Avaya endpoint. The new idea, the new trend, the new technology, Avaya today offering you two things. Number one, to use Avaya endpoints from anywhere and connect them to Avaya core system. Put them anywhere, through the SBC you are connected, your extension with you. This is number one. Number two, Avaya with the new devices, with the endpoints, offering you to have no network, no LAN, to connect some of these phones through the wireless. That's the new technology. Not only that, these phones to be connected to your personal Bluetooth. Okay, that's the idea of new endpoints. It is not only this phone, for example, G175. Number one, you can connect it from anywhere through SBC. Number two, no need for Cat6 cable. Number three, you can connect it to your Bluetooth. That's the new technology of Avaya endpoint. Then we have the technology of Wi-Fi. Some Avaya phones support Wi-Fi, so no need for switching routers. Just connect it to wireless and have your extension. Bluetooth, some of them support Bluetooth, so you can connect them to the speaker, to Bluetooth. And NFC, that's some of these phones will support NFC, so you can connect two phones having the same NFC feature and connecting together. That's the kind of Bluetooth when you pair two devices. And we have some phones using the DICT feature where you can move inside the building and connect your phone with DICT station, with cell station. We will see about all of them. So today Avaya allow you to work from office, to work from home, to have wireless conference, wireless phones, wireless home office, wireless office as well. All your office wireless. Today I can ensure you that when you go to a customer office, say, Mr. Customer, no need for switching, no need for core switch. If you have from 100 extension to 3,000 extensions, phone Avaya, we will ensure you that we need only power adapter. That's it. We don't want cabling Cat6. We can connect all the phones to your PBX. Just if you have access point in the building, all this access point to connect it to small switch and your office connect to that switch, that's it. Okay? We can enable that for you, Master Customer. No more LAN. So in Avaya, we have the old digital phones, 14 series, 95 series. We have the Avaya new J series. We have J139. I will tell you about which now available, which not going to be end of sale. J139, J159, J189. And I will talk, and we have hotel phones, analog and SIP. We have two kinds, H series, H229, H24, H219. And we have a video phone, executive phones, K155, K175. And we have Avaya headset from L119 to L159. And we have a DICT phones, not wireless phone, DICT phones, which required Avaya cell station. And we have a conference phone, analog and IB and SIP. And we have Avaya camera. Avaya camera C360, Avaya, which today I'm using H050 with optical zoom, and we have H cameras. We'll talk about them quickly. And all these phones, you can sell them as a SIM to connect them with third-party PBX. Today, if you come to the customer, he has a third-party Zang or Astrek or 3CX or Huawei. We can connect our IB phones with their system, and also we can connect their phones if they are set with our system. That will give you an opportunity to sell phones without Avaya core system. Okay, then the G179 and the G189, these only phones will support wireless and Bluetooth. And G179 and G189. This is the only two phones you can sell them with wireless module, so there is no need for Cat6 cabling in the building. You can connect them wireless, and they are you can connect to any Bluetooth. Only G179 and G189. And this sheet will help you to differentiate.
J169 is going.
No, I said J179 and J189. Only these two phones will today support. If you add the module of wireless, small module, it will support wireless and Bluetooth. No need for cabling, and you can connect it to any Bluetooth. Okay, these two kinds of phones. And today Avaya Vantage as well. Avaya Vantage phones, you can connect them to wireless or to Bluetooth. And Avaya Vantage phone today came with new release for the Vantage. The name is Vantage 3. It is 3 times faster from the old one, and it comes with built-in Avaya Space application inside it, and you can plug and play. No need to upgrade like the old one to make upgrade the firmware. And we can sell this phone per month if you have a contract with Avaya for 3 years. And this Avaya video phone, fully open Android. You can download your applications, and you can connect it wireless to your network, no need for cabling, and you can connect it to the Bluetooth, and the headset is wireless. You can walk inside the building with wireless connectivity, no need for cable. So we are talking about the Bluetooth, the wireless handset, the wireless connectivity with system, open for Android, coming built in with Avaya Space application, and Avaya iX Workplace application inside this phone, and the normal telephone system phones, you can use it for normal extension or for video conference. all in one, as well as you can sell this phone for hotels so they can download their hospitality application to manage the hospitality. And we have, in Avaya, we have hospitality application to manage the hotel, the check-in, the check-out from the same phone. No need to have in the hotel tablet and Avaya phone all in one. In your company, no need to have video conference and camera and all in one, and tablet all in one, include your personal applications. That's the new Vantage 3. And we have headset from Avaya. We can sell them with noise cancellation and 5 models with multiple connectors. We can connect this headset to RG or to laptop USB with touch, without touch, or Bluetooth, all kind of connectivity, and supervisor connectivity, which you can connect 2 headsets to 1 cable. So both of them can listen to the same call. That's the supervisor connector. Okay, many kinds of connectors here. And for the hotels, we have 2 kind of hotel phones. We have yes. Okay. لما اروح عند الهوتيل يمشي منها.
بيجوز لانه صار يصير
طيب طيب ارجع كذا. يلا توقف هنا.
Can you go back to the hotel slide?
It is wait, I will do it like that. Wait for me. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes, let me open it like that. Open it like that. Yes, that's better. Okay, for hotels we have SIP phones H229 for elevators and public area, and we have H239 for big rooms, for big apartment, and we have a normal phone that's with a screen touch, and we have H249 as well. These SIP phones or IB phones, you can connect with Avaya as an IB or with third party as a SIP. And we have analog phones, which require analog extension, analog card H209 and H19, and you can adjust and customize the buttons and ask Avaya to send you a faceplate with customization. Okay, the minimum quantity is 100 phone to customize. Without customize, you can ask for one only. But for customize the interface, the faceplate, you have to ask for 100.
What we mean by customize, for example, if the hotel need a logo, special logo or special design for the phones, so H239, it's the right solution for this.
And H249 with faceplate.
Yes.
faceplate واقعي.
H249?
H249 ورقي, H23 it's touch.
H239, it's a must. You have to include a faceplate.
Yes.
Because it's either default or customized. H249 is optional.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Okay, so this is the right solution for if the customer needs customized phone.
Okay, let's to continue and finish this call. Sorry. And for Avaya conference phone, today we have analog phones conference B149 and B159, and we have IB B169, B179, B189, B199. Okay, and with the B169, it's DECT phone, so you can connect it without cabling to the ROM to the DECT, but you have to buy the DECT station. Okay. So you one DECT can connect up to 5 devices of B179. So you have one DECT and you have 5 ROMs. So you can put 5 DECT phones in 5 ROMs connecting through the DECT, that kind of wireless connectivity with Avaya DECT solution. Okay, all of them support a port for recording. You can put your flash or USB to record the calls. And B198, you can download, have your mobile application to control these phones, and it is touch. Okay, and the new model which I suggest you to sell, the Avaya B199. Okay, with high resolution, good style, and new phone. the Avaya Dict phone, which can be used with not with access point. That's the, we don't have in Avaya wireless phones where you can connect this phone with any access point. We have a Dict phone where you have to buy the cell station from Avaya, the Dict stations. You have to distribute these Dict stations around the building with repeaters. So our Dict phone will be connected to the Dict station. Cell station will be connected to the IB office. That can be used for factory or for companies with big areas like warehouses.
But we support any third-party cell phone Wi-Fi set.
Yes, today, for example, if you go to Grandstream Wi-Fi, third-party Astra, any third-party Wi-Fi phone, you can connect it as a SIP extension, third-party license. Okay? And now we have also a new phones, new D240 and D260. Okay, this is a new coming to the same series.
This is IP65.
Okay, so dual cell. And the cameras, the last thing is the camera. We have CU360, which is all in one. You can use it for the video conference. Connect it with any other cameras to make a video conference, and you can use it as a personal because it is open Android. You can install inside it your third-party application to do your third-party video conference. Our Avaya Spaces will be fixed inside it. You can use Avaya Spaces with that camera without having computer to make a video conference. Not only that, this CU360 can be connected to the network through wireless, and you can connect your laptop to this camera and show your presentation. That's all in one, okay, with remote control. Regarding the HC050, HC020, and the new one, HC010, all these cameras, you can add them to your personal life, to your personal computer, to your meeting rooms, just a camera, without any kind of mentality of standalone system. Just a camera, okay, like a normal camera. This camera, you can use it for home on top of screen. This camera, you can use it for training purpose with optical zoom, okay? And this camera, the CU360, as I told you, it's Android operating system, dual HD, wide of 5x digital zoom, microphone, integrated microphone, Bluetooth support, Wi-Fi support, and open SIP and H323 open to integrate with any telephone system. And you can use the C360 as a normal extensions. You can assign extension for this camera, and someone can call this extension, and you can answer by the remote. Okay? So you can use it in two options, as a SIP-based meeting for the meeting, or you can use it for third-party cloud. Download any kind of WebEx, Zoom, Hangout, Skype for Business, Teams, and use it for conference, for normal use.
It's more personal, not related to Avaya. It's more personal. You can use it. Everyone, me, Hamza, everyone using this CU360 in his personal life, in his meeting, taking this camera with him when he travel. So it's like a phone, and with big camera, and the screen for this phone is your TV. This simply, and you can imagine it like this.
The last message I would like to deliver for you that in Avaya Mid-Market Solutions, the key capabilities that we can offer our customer a flexible deployment. So in cloud, in virtual machine, in server-based, in hybrid, we can offer our customers all-in-one communications and collaborations, starting from Avaya IX, Avaya Space, Mobility, Conference, MeetMe, all these applications, and cost-safe applications, so you can build your application, build your environment on your devices, bring your devices to the solution, and we can offer our customer a complete mobility solutions. So the phones can be connected from anywhere, the soft phone can be integrated anywhere. We can connect between the branches so the employee can travel between the branches and use any point. That's the mobility, and you can connect your Avaya phone to any points and plug and play. And we can offer today our customer out of the box integration. So our solutions can be integrated with Salesforce, with Oracle, with Google, with Skype for Business, with social media. And not only that, we can offer our customer a distinctive customer contact center of offer you a full omni-channel from voice, email, chat, SMS, fax with full capability of contact center. And as well as we are offering our customer a peace of mind with high reliable and secure, full secure and reduce. We are enjoying reducing the security threats for our customers. Today, the last thing, our IBO Office is scalable to handle 5 users and 3,000 users and handle one branch up to 150 branch. That's all what we can today deliver in Avaya, and I hope you can still go to our customers and forget about the price when you present our solutions and keep that to the end, so the customer will think about the future with Avaya, how Avaya will be strong with him, how he can he has the scalability to increase, to have all the applications, to add on these applications in his life, to have a secure solutions all on one. That's the way we can win the deals and we can have loyal customers for Avaya and happy sale. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Hamza. Thank you so much. Any question to Hamza? Please.